Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing. You know, we all see electric cars popping up everywhere, but the real revolution, it's not just what's under the hood. It's happening right on the factory floor. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hidden, super high-tech world of tools that are literally building our electric future. Let's get into it. So, let me ask you something. What do you think is the absolute hardest part of building an electric car? Is it the battery chemistry, the software? You might be surprised. A lot of the time, the biggest challenge is the physical act of shaping all the new, high-tech components that actually make the car work. So here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll touch on the EV revolution itself, the big picture. Then, we'll dive into the totally new manufacturing challenges this creates. After that, we'll spotlight the incredible tools of tomorrow that are solving these problems. And finally, we'll look at the real impact all of this innovation is having. All right, first up, the EV revolution. We're talking about charging towards a cleaner future. This really sets the stage for everything else we're going to talk about. I mean, it's no secret, right? The whole world is shifting to electric vehicles. We're all concerned about air pollution, about climate change, and this huge push for a cleaner, more sustainable way to get around has become a top priority globally. And that demand, well, it's driving one of the biggest industrial shakeups in 100 years. And that massive shift? It leads us right into our next section, a new manufacturing challenge, or what I like to call the hidden hurdle. Because it turns out building these new cars isn't as simple as just swapping out a gas engine for a battery pack, not by a long shot. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Think about it. Traditional cars, they were built with heavy, durable metals like steel, using processes we've perfected for decades. But EVs are a whole different ballgame. They're absolutely obsessed with efficiency. That means using lightweight stuff like aluminum for these huge, complex parts. We're talking battery housings and entire drive units. The name of the game is to get rid of every single gram of weight, every little bit of friction. And to do that, you need a level of manufacturing precision that's just on another level. So how in the world do you solve a puzzle like that? Well, that brings us right to our third section, the tools of tomorrow, the unseen innovators. These are the real unsung heroes of the EV factory floor. The solution, believe it or not, comes down to a new generation of super specialized cutting and drilling tools. And look, we're not talking about the drill bits you'd find at a hardware store. Not even close. These are incredible, precision-engineered instruments designed to shape materials like aluminum with just insane speed and accuracy. Okay, let's look at our first example, the KBDM PCD face mill. This tool is an absolute master of efficiency. It's built specifically for milling the surfaces of aluminum parts. But here's the brilliant part. It does 3 steps: roughing, semi-finishing, and fine finishing, all in one single pass. Just think about that. The result? Way faster production cycles, which of course means lower manufacturing costs. Next up, we've got the KSEM modular drill. Now, if that last tool was all about combining steps, this one is about raw, stable speed. It's engineered for maximum stability, which allows it to drill holes at the fastest possible rates without losing a shred of precision. When you need to make thousands and thousands of parts, that level of productivity is a total game changer. And finally, meet the MaxiMet. This tool, it's all about finesse. You see, a lot of EV parts have really thin walls to save weight, but that makes them super fragile and they tend to vibrate like crazy during machining. The MaxiMet uses this really clever design with unequal spacing to basically cancel out those vibrations. It gives you a chatter-free cut, which means you get a perfect, smooth surface finish, something that's absolutely critical for performance. Okay, so we've seen the tools. They're pretty cool, right? But so what? What does it all actually add up to? Let's talk about the real impact, about how this is all building a better tomorrow. This slide lays out the domino effect perfectly. It all starts with that innovative tooling we just looked at. That innovation leads directly to way better manufacturing efficiency. And when you're more efficient, what happens? You lower your costs. And when EVs get cheaper and faster to build, well, that's when you start to drive real, tangible change in the world. So here's the bottom line. The big takeaway. These tiny, highly engineered tools have a massive impact. They lead to lower costs, which can mean more affordable electric cars for all of us. They shorten lead times, so we get new models on the road faster. And by making the whole process more efficient, they even help shrink the carbon footprint of building the very vehicles meant to save our planet. It's incredible. And that kind of leaves us with this one last thought to chew on. We usually picture the green revolution as, solar panels and wind turbines, but as we've seen today, the very foundation of this clean energy future is also being forged in the heat of industry and precision machined by steel and carbide. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the biggest progress depends on the amazing tools you can't even see.